Since our founding in 1951, Lubrication Engineers has become a trusted provider of specialty oils, greases, and reliability solutions. With a global reach spanning over 65 countries, LE has built a reputation for unparalleled product performance, unwavering quality, and exceptional customer service. Our knowledgeable field representatives specialize in solutions tailored to the unique needs of various industries. We offer an extensive range of premium lubricants and reliability products. Companies that partner with us gain the power to optimize production within their facilities and drive down costs. Downtime becomes a thing of the past, while lubricant and equipment life are extended. In 1979, Lubrication Engineers established our manufacturing, warehouse, and R&D facility in Wichita, Kansas. And in 2017, Wichita became the official home of our corporate headquarters. We continue to invest significantly in our people, products, and processes, ensuring they remain at the forefront of the industry. By attracting talented individuals, both domestically and internationally, the company seeks to strengthen its global business from the heart of Kansas. Whether you're seeking premium lubricants, reliability solutions, or a trusted partner to help improve your facility's performance, look no further than Lubrication Engineers, the trusted choice to asset reliability solutions.